In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get notifications in Google Calendar. This is a handy skill that will help you stay organized and never miss an important event. Let's dive right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Google Calendar. You can use any browser you like, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Simply type in Google Calendar in the search bar and press Enter. This action is essential as it directs you to the Google Calendar interface. You should see various links appear in the search results, including the official Google Calendar website. Next, click on the correct link to access Google Calendar. Make sure you select the official Google link to avoid any misleading sites. It is usually the first result that appears. This step is crucial because accessing the right page ensures that you have the most up-to-date features and security. Once you click on the link, the Google Calendar interface will load on your screen ready for you to customize. Now, log into your Google account. If you're already signed in, you will be taken directly to your calendar. If not, you will need to enter your email and password. This step is important as it confirms your identity and gives you access to your personalized calendar. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will make the upcoming steps easier to navigate. Next, click on the gear icon, which represents the settings menu located in the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Settings. This is a key step because the Settings menu is where you will find all the options related to notifications and other preferences for your calendar. Opening the settings gives you control over how Google Calendar interacts with you, ensuring you don't miss important reminders. After that, look at the left sidebar menu and find the section labeled General. Under this section, click on Notification Settings. This action is vital as it leads you to the area where you can manage how you receive notifications. By accessing this section, you are one step closer to tailoring Google Calendar to meet your needs for alerts and reminders. Now click on the Notifications drop-down menu. Here you will see various options for notification styles. Choose your preferred style, whether you want desktop notifications or alerts. This step is significant because it determines how you will be notified about upcoming events. Understanding the difference between these options can enhance your experience with Google Calendar. For a bit of insight, desktop notifications are banners that slide onto your screen from your browser. Meanwhile, alerts are pop-up messages that take over your current tab until you dismiss them. These styles serve different purposes, so pick the one that best fits your daily workflow. Next, check the box for Play Notification Sounds if you would like an audio cue for your notifications. This small but effective feature can make a big difference in ensuring you don't overlook any reminders. Enabling sound notifications gives you an additional layer of alert, making it easier to keep track of your schedule. With that ready, you have successfully set up your Google Calendar notifications. This setup allows you to receive timely reminders for your events, keeping you organized and on track. Remember, customizing your notifications can significantly enhance your productivity and reduce the chances of missing important appointments. Thank you for following along, and happy scheduling!